Hey, what's up everyone? It's B here with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Eurocycle Sonoma here in Santa Rosa. This big grin is because of this big bike. I finally get to ride this. I've been eyeballing a bike like this for quite a while. We're looking at the 2019 MV Agusta Dragster 800 RR. It is a triple. I love me some triples. It makes 140 horsepower. So we got plenty to get out of and go. So you know what? Let's look around the bike. I'm gonna go get geared up and I wanna ride that thing. So see you on the bike. Hey guys, and here we are on the absolutely gorgeous Dragster 800 RR. And we're on typical California roads, and since this bike is meant to perform, it has a very stiff suspension and my ass is very unpleased with the situation. So seat, definitely not for long, definitely not designed for longer rides. Definitely not. Quite hard, definitely more for like you're going out in the canyons or track and you're ripping on that thing. It's not meant for a Sunday tittle ride. Ooh, that Aprilia though. Display, I mean, we gotta get this. This is horrendous. Like, come on, it's the 2019 bike and we have a display from like, I don't know what MV Agusta thought about here, but the display, like, y'all gotta fix this. I had to get that out of the way because the display is really bothering me. Alright, I'm 5'6", 120 pounds, and I can tippy-toe it. I definitely a little taller, on the taller side. Definitely I'm definitely not 100% comfortable with the height. Like, I wouldn't take this to commute to San Francisco on. It's a little tall for my taste, but I can manage for a test ride, or if we'll just go to Berryessa, I can manage. So we have an up and down quick shifter from the factory, very mucho likey. I've been kind of fussing with it while we're getting out on the main road, and very nice quick shifter. Very nice, very seamless, very, it's a nice quick shifter. Alright, vibrations, yes, a lot. It's very interesting, but it's a very, you know, like my MT-09 is a triple and this has a raw sound too, but it has this like more like, I don't know how to describe it, but it vibrates somewhat different. Like my MT hardly vibrates and this vibrates quite a bit. So again, long rides, probably not the motorcycle you want to do it on, and I wouldn't want to put too many miles on this beauty anyway. But definitely vibrations, since you guys always ask about vibration. Yes, definitely vibrations, check. Like a 7 or 8 out of 10, no joke, a lot of vibrations. We do have a gear indicator, which is nice, since I standard shift, GP shift, Wagner always has her fair share of problems on that thing. Oop, what's going on? Well, Bill is definitely liking his Tuano. Woo! It's a little wet and a little gross, so I'm sketched out. I'm a fair weather rider. When it's moist, I don't like riding fast. So we are in rain mode right now, and honestly, this thing is pretty beefy feeling. Like I let get off the clutch a little faster than I should have, and it was already like, hello, let's go places. I'm like, no, you're in rain mode, please behave. So you know, $20,000 motorcycle, we definitely want to be extra nice to this. Oh, the quick shifts are so nice, so nice. Woo! Yeah, I enjoy it. Sitting position, other than that your butt is pretty much on the brake, it's pretty comfortable. I don't mind it. It's a little more front-endy, kind of more sport bike than a naked bike, but I don't mind it. I'm pretty comfortable. I'm not stretched out. I'm just tilted forward. I'm okay with this. Gravel, slowing down. Don't like gravel. Definitely not mixing that with this $20,000 motorcycle. And so we are in rain mode, so this definitely has some get up and go. Let's see about switching to sport. All right, we're in sport. Oh, so you can also adjust the ABS and traction control with those buttons here, but those buttons are low-key frustrating. They're not very great buttons. It's like you're kind of like, if you press up, it kind of sets, and I argued with him a little with this button set a little, so I left it. It's right now we're ABS 5 or traction control 5. That's in the middle of the settings, so this works for me for a test ride. So now we're in the engine map sport. We'll switch it very easy. Here's like an engine map button made for dum-dums like me. I love very simple buttons. So it definitely wants to go places. oh, I'm liking it. Other than this display, like this display is a problem. But it, oh my gosh, I would really like to take that with me to Sonoma. Sonoma Raceway would be great, but Berryessa or something like that. Oh yeah, shenanigans. Definitely shenanigans. So let's see what else we have on maps. Custom. Oh, normal. Let's see normal then. That's weird that it will go rain, sport, normal, custom. That's a strange order, but alright. Normally you have like rain, normal, sport, custom, because that makes sense. But alright, normal. That's definitely faster than rain. What else we got? Normal. I can't touch the button with the same thumb, so that's kind of I wish see my thumb too short. Ergonomics, like it's kind of always shitty to have to take your hand off the controls, so button, yeah, this is a little bit of a problem, but you know, it is what it is. Quick shifter on point. On very much point. Woo! Alright, this is... Alright, I see why people do like them. Very pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We'll walk around the bike once we're back at Sonoma Eurocycles. New shop. New place to do reviews. I'm super excited, super thankful that those guys let us come out. They do have BMWs, but they also have Aprilias, MV Agusta, Moto Guzzi, and I forget Zeros. We have some Zero reviews coming up. That was a trip, guys. Riding a Zero was an absolute trip. But back to the Dragster. I mean, it's pretty beastly. Like, if you're thinking that to be your first bike, please don't. You'll get hurt. Let's see. It honks. All right. Nice honk. Nice quality honk to it. And off we go. Oh, the quick shifter's so nice. So crazy enough, so like this bike, look when you look down on the tank, I was like, holy cow, this is gonna be heavy, such a beefcake. And dry weight of this motorcycle is only 370 pounds. So wet, you're looking at what, 400 and something? Really not bad for as massive and angry as it looks. it's actually pretty light, so I like that. I like me some light bikes, less things, less way to log around from left to right in the twisties. I approve. Yeah, this is one of the better bikes, except for the display. The display's gotta go. I'm sorry guys, but the display this is a problem. Like, come on. There's Bill on the factory 1100. He looks kind of like a bear on the bicycle on that bike. It's a surprisingly small looking bike. I'm a little sad that he got to ride it and I didn't, because that's a Bogna kind of bike. It screams Bogna, right? Like, come on. It's naked, it's cool looking. I really always wanted the RSV4, and it's a little too tall for me, and to make him turn better you need to make it even taller in the rear end, and this is just not gonna happen. But maybe I might rewrite it for you guys from a short person, lightweight person perspective. I think it's just fair, right? Oh, we're blinking. There we go, turn off blinker. So you can see we have ABS, traction control, sport map settings. I mean, very cool, and you can do custom settings too, so you can probably adjust all the engine brakings and whatnot. I'm not gonna get into all that at this test ride. Oh, this is a lot. So this is a new route, so excuse if I sometimes get quiet because I can't figure out where we're going. Yep, I like this. I like this a lot better than the Zero, because I like the rah. I like hearing that the bike is working to do whatever it's doing. The it's just weird. I like my little grunty and vibrations. I like it. And here we are back at Sonoma, Eurocycle Sonoma. Very, very cool little dealership. They have a ton of bikes in there. I don't know how they like Tetris all that in there, but they did. Let's kickstand down, motorcycle off. Very nice. So let's take a look. So here you have manually adjustable steering dampener. Very nice. The MT-09 doesn't have a steering dampener, so it wheelies and flip-flops, and it's very sketchy. So given that this has a lot balls, it's nice to have. Hydraulic clutch. It's braking. Very nice. Let's look around it. Let's quick shifter. MV Agusta quick shifter, up and down. Very nice. Look at that brake light. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm not sure about this, but you know, you can stash something in there, your hand. Oh, very cool. You know, like you always are like, oh, I kind of want rear sets for my passenger, even though I don't know where you would put the passenger. But this is actually really neat. Like, look how clean this is. Boink. And you're like, oh, I'm single. Oh, nope. Let's put this back in there. Ta-da! Rear sets, not bad. Very nice. Black. I hate when they're silver. Like, everything's black. Just coat them black, please. So very pretty. Spoke wheels. That's like my only thing. I was like, I wish there would be normal cool wheels, but spoked wheels, you know, adds to the flavor of the bike. Very nice. Brembo up front, up down below. Nissan up top. Questionable choice. I would have put Brembo up top too. We have some very nice suspension. Funny enough, I was looking at the specs of the bike for suspension, and they called them upside down suspension, not inverted forks. The word you're looking for, MV Agusta, is inverted. But it's really pretty. Look, the keys are very nice too. So let's turn it off before it dies. Very cool. So thank you guys for watching. Comment below if you have any question. Hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.